In this video, I will show you how to get to the Big Buddha in Hong Kong. So the first step is to find a metro station. You can find a metro station by looking at this sign. Then you go to Tung Chung on Lantau Island. When you arrive at Tung Chung station, you head to exit B to the bus terminus. Try to search for bus 23 going to Ngong Ping for the Big Buddha Pauline Monastery. We came from there. That's the exit B, and we go this way. We cross over the street. And the bus station is located over there. You can either take the cable car or you can cross over to the bus station here. The bus you are looking for is located on the other side. And there it is, the bus 23 to Ngong Ping. A single trip ticket costs $17 or 27 Hong Kong dollars. We enter bus 23 to the Big Buddha. When you arrive at the end station, you have reached your destiny. Enjoy your visit.